My name's Victoria Brewer, and I am the Senior Production Manager here at Betabrand. My role is a lot of the development and figuring out how we're going to make a new design come to life. Betabrand is a clothing company that accepts votes on new concepts. And then if we get enough votes on one of our new concepts, we'll essentially have our customer crowdfund the prototype. Stephen having the silhouette machine has really made our prototyping process a lot quicker. Before we would have had to place an order with a third-party vendor and pay their sampling fees and wait 2 or 3 weeks for them to turn around a couple pieces. Now if Stephen has an idea for the heat transfer he wants to add to a product, he can have that for me in an hour. The silhouette is a really helpful tool that just allows creative individuals to just bring your idea to life really quickly.
My name is Stephen Wheeler, and I am the senior designer here at Betabrand. So my role here is to basically work really closely with people and suss out what the key components of their idea is and really where they're coming from. And then we just design and iterate over and over and over again until we get something that everybody's happy with and we know that we can produce. Our core products here at Betabrand are really wide and varied, but I will say that we do have a really strong fan base or customer base in the cycling community. So we have a lot of bike to work products, and I actually use the silhouette machine a lot for that. We use heat transfers and reflectivity a lot throughout that whole line. I first heard about the silhouette machine as I was doing some research, and silhouette really appealed to me because of the strength of its software and its plugin capability with Illustrator. So my workflow starts in Illustrator, and being able to export things through the Silhouette Connect plugin shaves so much time out of the production timeline, and we're not waiting weeks in between iterations. There's one that I cut out on the silhouette machine, and this is like what we would use on a prototype, and then here it is in production. So this one's reflective and this one's matte, but you get the idea there that what makes it into production can be very easily mocked up for a prototype with the silhouette machine. So some of my favorite products that I've used the machine for in prototyping is the Ready shirt. I'm wearing one of the Ready shirts right now, so it has the heat transfers right down the center front placket. Because the placket is covering the buttons, I wanted something to be there on the front of the shirt so that it didn't look like there was something missing. And we also used it on the corporate climber pants, which are office appropriate pants that you can wear and also go climbing or bouldering after work. We used the silhouette machine to help iterate when we were designing our new hang tag and then the story hang tag on the back. And the silhouette machine was really handy with that because we could do really precisely rounded corners and mock up what a die cut would look like. I could see it being used really well by other creative types. So for example, if you need to mock up a screen print, you could cut out a stencil for it super easily. You could do several stencils, like if you're doing multiple colors. If you do paper folding or 3D structure, you could mock it up on a small scale here before you go to tech shop or something and cut it out with a CNC cutter. You could use it for model making. Architects, students could use it to cut out really precise cardstock. The sky's the limit really with this machine and what you can use it for with a little bit of inspiration and some creative thinking. You should look at the silhouette machine because it is so darn easy to use and it works with your existing workflow.